U-bolts are what provide the clamping force needed to hold your springs to the axle. Any movement in the center bolt area will cause a spring to break. So follow your manufacturer's recommendations first, and if that is unavailable, use our recommendations. Your springs will thank you. Remember, torque your U-bolts to the recommended specifications immediately upon installation, and retorque the U-bolts after 50 miles, and then again after 500 miles. And heck, it's a good idea to check them every time you're underneath your vehicle. Remember, tight U-bolts will extend your spring's life and performance.